Morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to get off the boat for a little bit. We're going to listen to some airplanes take off, and we're going to take off, check out some other islands, and hopefully get that drone back in the water and see whatever we can find.
Space crime with a look.
Sick. Welcome to entrance. Wow. Look at this davit. You need this davit in your life.
I mean, look how long it is for such a small boat.
I'll let you guys go. Yeah, I'll get out of your hair here, man.
Actually, I'm
thank you so much for showing us around.
Yeah, yeah. So,
Thanks, man.
hey, welcome. Take care, guys. Nice to meet you.
Take care. Good to meet you, man.
Fuck that shop the hell. You go fucking steep, man. Look at that.
There are some boulders down here. Right where she is, but... Yo, buddy! Whoa! Look at it. This is nuts! Yeah, these cliffs go down another 200 feet pretty much, almost right away. Alright, we're now on the inside pass around Gabriola, and we decided to stop by at Mudge Island, which is a tiny little island that's just off Gabriola's, I want to say, westward side. And there's quite a few residents here, and this doesn't have ferry service, so most of them just cross over from Gabe. And I've never stepped foot here before, so passing by, why not? Rishi, did you help that guy boost his truck or what?
I work for the ferries. I help boost a lot of things.
I guess so.
The other day I broke into a car.
Suddenly a little narrow. Look at this.
Very shallow.
Don't want to be here. Just about pooped me pants. It's cruising along and suddenly, oh, that's narrow. That one didn't show up on the chart. Okay, so if you're cruising through false narrows, which I don't suggest, but if you are, stay close to Mudge Island and then follow markers, and it's a bit of a swervy path through there, but watch out for that flat that's in the middle of the damn thing. Okay, so apparently that dinghy is capable of circumnavigating Gabriola Island. And it wasn't perfectly flat out there. I mean, it wasn't too bad. I think we only had like less than 10 knots of wind out there, but still a little bit choppy. There were some scary bits. And she did just fine. We took the ROV for a spin all the way around the island, but it was too choppy to actually use it, so it probably would have been a lot easier if we weren't carrying a big heavy ROV in the dinghy, but you know, you do what you gotta do. Alright, today we're helping a new buddy of mine. His name's Jay and his wife Dee, and they have the boat right next to mine. They've been here for like 6 weeks now, and they're buying land on the island, and one of the things they've been trying to do is get a mooring. Unfortunately, here in the bay, it's quite busy and it's hard to get your hands on a mooring, and there's not really any room to put down more moorings. So he ended up buying an entire boat. Nice boat, Jay.
Hey Simon, ready to do some lollygagging or what?
Yeah.
Now, it's been fucking 7 years of drawing this tight, eh?
So Jay bought this boat, and you don't want to keep it, right?
No, we're gonna flip this thing.
We're gonna flip it. And so in order to flip it, she needs to be cleaned, she needs to be pressure washed, and she needs to be scraped. So, got a work cut out for us.
Yeah.
Let's do it. First time in 7 years.
7 years, yeah.
Hope that gearbox works.
Start in reverse.
Yeah, that's reverse. Looking good, buddy.
Yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Several years of moss has left these stains. And we're gonna see if the pressure washer is up to cleaning that off. Come here. Well, that went pretty smoothly. We even managed to save the sail cover and the bimini top. Didn't think we'd be able to save those because they're so badly mossed up, but turns out worked out okay. Pressure washer cleaned it right up. So there's a little bit of stitch work to do, but other than that, looking good.
It's a depression.
sold me this boat, some very good friends of mine have owned this boat before that. And my stepkids have slept in this boat 15 years ago.
Wow.
So I'm quite proud to bring it back to
Stays
life.
in the family.
Yeah. And it feels kind of good to bring it back to life. And they can come back and see it and say, yeah, this is an old boat that their mom was in when they were kids. Yep.
Sure about that one.
Yeah.
And we still have to cook all the rest of the food, eh?
Yeah.
Oh.
Did you bring a lighter?
No.
Lighter.
Oh,
Hold on, you bring.
You stay.
The boat is full of food.
A lot of food.
Yeah.